Posas and Kotoko captain Richmond Lamptey make us a Kotoko captain currently Dan lad into me and starting games, and I said Dan lad bench into on the match days no Richmond Lamptey and starting Kumasi Asante Kotoko as the captain, and as you can see on the screen and against Karela on the lady team no after say Kumasi Asante Kotoko lose 2-0 no or the Simbia to you and Semino and Semino can't come and until me amenya daje I may blog this particular one amount because he wanted to put the message out message should go straight to the Kotoko fans and na game ne by na yɛnyina disappointed no Richmond Lamptey akasa fa ho a ɛwɔ ha me bro ɛwɔ fi ampa cho ha yi Super 24 TV who subscribe ya wadara man wa hit the red subscribe button na wabo adoma no so na ye move it together. Follow your social media handles no so Facebook Super 24 TV, Instagram ne Kumasi Blogman, Instagram no Kumasi Blogman, TikTok Kumasi Blogman. Yes na yendika subo mo ho but then seminal bros sia enne adie bi asi wɔ Ghana na ade no mamembo Akufo Addo president His Excellency Akufo Addo abaso meba so but for now mamemfa Richmond Lamptey semono emma quickly after the game against Karela no and Odinsemwe Ekotuja. I say we are not happy and very devastating about exit from the MTN FA CUP. It was not expected results, but we live to fight. We apologize to our fabulous fans for letting them down. We will fight harder and bring smiles to their faces. We work harder and keenly contest for the GPL trophy. That was Richmond Lamptey and Otroy Kuma Pema Apembeba. So as a captain of the team, wapa supporters natural and okase omunyina no omu very devastated and disappointed because of the MTN FA Cup loss a course no inti Ghana Premier League ne or shebo say fight send be ya Kotoko be slot no the akobo Africa. Yes, and on information kakra or the two. Now back to Nkran we a Boteman Sports Complex with him said next month March 8 all African games as the African games no Accra ne hosti a friend in the 2023 Accra African Games na eno na ohe stadium na and there was great we a sports facility domes tennis court, basketball court, swimming pool, badminton ni nyina ewo mu bi. Yes ene na ye lunch ye beer no ye commission ye president but ade ba akona mesre Ghana ye maintenance culture ye be 2008 Baba Stadium na efepa but ene ukoho there have been so many changes due to bad maintenance culture. Yes rempanyfo after this tournament the special year 8th of March now we 25th of March after that yen hwet ne managing ye pa ho ankasa facilities no a state of the art between 8th and 25th March Ghana all African Games yen ye hosti e won Nkran ebeye krabehwe ebeye krakra sakra na ebeye butubutu se butu so sese kukrum no nti eno nso no information kakra o say na mede ma e Super 24 TV no so mede usi a e chia bebre on subscribe ya wadarma na wa subscribe